How the Northern Lights are created, a stunning phenomenon, the Northern Lights. A breathtaking display of colors that dance across the Arctic skies. But have you ever wondered how this stunning phenomenon is created? Today, we'll uncover the science behind the Northern Lights and explore what makes them so mesmerizing. Let's start with where it all begins, the sun. The solar wind, a journey from the sun. The Northern Lights begin their journey on the surface of the sun. The sun constantly emits a stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. These particles travel millions of miles through space, carrying energy with them. But what happens when these particles reach Earth? The role of Earth's magnetic field, Earth is surrounded by a protective magnetic field. When the solar wind collides with this field, most particles are deflected away. But some manage to slip through near the poles, where the magnetic field is weaker. These particles then spiral down toward the atmosphere, guided by the magnetic field. And this is where the magic begins. Creating the lights, a collision of particles. As the charged particles collide with gases in the atmosphere, they transfer energy to these gas molecules. The molecules become excited and release this energy as light. The colors of the Northern Lights depend on the type of gas and altitude of the collisions. Green, the most common color, comes from oxygen at lower altitudes. Red comes from oxygen higher up. And blue and purple are created by nitrogen. Why are the lights so dynamic? The lights appear to dance because of how the solar wind interacts with the magnetic field. As the flow of solar particles changes, so do the patterns and intensity of the lights. Auroras around the world. While the Northern Lights are famous, they're not the only auroras. The Southern Lights, or Aurora Australis, occur at the South Pole and are just as stunning. Together, these phenomena are called polar auroras and can sometimes be seen farther from the poles during intense solar activity. Auroras have fascinated humans for centuries. In ancient times, people thought they were omens or messages from the gods. Why are they important? Auroras aren't just beautiful, they're also scientifically important. By studying them, scientists can learn more about solar activity and how it impacts Earth. Solar storms, for example, can disrupt satellites, power grids, and even communication systems. The Northern Lights are more than just a spectacular sight. They're a reminder of the connection between Earth and the sun, a cosmic dance that lights up our skies. What amazes you most about the Northern Lights? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fascinating space discoveries.